Hey guys, so if you hear any noise, I'm chewing, I'm eating a snack. So let's start. Attraction 1, Minnie Oh Minnie was a show located in Adventureland at Tokyo Disneyland. Attraction 2, Minnie's Tiara of Dreams was a live musical show that went at Tokyo Disneyland from January 18th to March 30th, 2007 as part of the Disney Princess Days event. The show featured Minnie Mouse and other Disney princesses as they celebrated Minnie's birthday and her dream of becoming a princess. Attraction 3, Minnie We Love You was a musical show that debuted at Tokyo Disneyland on February 22nd, 2023 as part of the Minnie's Besties Bash event. The show celebrated Minnie Mouse and her friendship with other Disney characters such as Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, Daisy Duck, Goofy, Pluto, and Chip and Dale. The show featured Minnie and her friends in costumes embellished with hearts and bows, singing and dancing to upbeat songs that express their love for each other. The show also included a special appearance by Clarice, the female chipmunk who has a crush on Chip. Attraction 4, Once Upon a Mouse was a live stage show that was performed at Tokyo Disneyland from July 19th, 1999 to May 23rd, 2004. This was one of few Tokyo Disneyland attractions where characters spoke English with a little Japanese. The show featured Mickey Mouse and his friends, either Disney or Pixar, in a musical review, celebrating the history and legacy of Disney animation. Attraction 5, Wet and Wild Pirate Night was a nighttime castle stage show at Tokyo Disneyland for the summer event in conjunction with the release of the film Pirates of the Caribbean at World's End. 4 years later, the show returned as Wet and Wild Pirates Night We're Back in conjunction with the release of the film Pirates of the Caribbean on Stranger Tides. Attraction 6, We Villains, previously known as Let's Go Villains, was a parade held during the Disney's Halloween event at Tokyo Disneyland as part of its 25th anniversary celebration. Attraction 7, Remember the Dream was a stage show at Tokyo Disneyland that was performed to coincide with Tokyo Disneyland's 20th anniversary grand finale. Attraction 8, Scream and Shout was a parade held during the Disney's Halloween event at Tokyo Disneyland in 2006. Attraction 9, Soryo Kubo was a live castle stage show at Tokyo Disneyland. Attraction 10, Spooky Boo Parade was a parade held during the Disney's Halloween event at Tokyo Disneyland. This parade debuted in 2018. The parade returned on September 15, 2022 as part of Disney's Halloween 2022 at Tokyo Disneyland. On July 26, 2024, the Oriental Land Company announced a new Halloween-themed parade will debut during Disney's Halloween 2024, thus confirming Spooky Boo Parade's retirement. Attraction 11. Starlight Dreams was a live castle show in Tokyo Disneyland performed in 2008 as Tokyo Disneyland's 25th anniversary celebration. Attraction 12. Super Duper Jumping Time was a stage show performed in Plaza Pavilion Bandstand in Westernland at Tokyo Disneyland. It opened on September 12th, 2005 and closed on July 8th, 2018. Attraction 13. Usatama on the Run was a parade held during the Easter event at Tokyo Disneyland. This parade debuted in 2017. Attraction 14. Viva Magic was a show that ran at Tokyo Disneyland for the 15th anniversary. Attraction 15. BraviSEAmo was a nighttime water show at Tokyo Disney Sea. Attraction 16. Chef Whammy and You was a stage show at Tokyo Disney Sea for Pixar Playtime event in 2018. The show was based on Ratatouille. Attraction 17. Disney Summer Oasis Splash was a park event held during the summer at Tokyo Disney Sea. Attraction 18. Harborside Christmas was the name given to Tokyo Disney Sea's annual Christmas event from 2002 to 2009. Attraction 19. Hello New York was a daily show at Tokyo Disney Sea in front of the SS Columbia Harbor at the Dockside stage, which opened to coincide with Tokyo Disneyland's 35th anniversary. Attraction 20. The Legend of Mythica was the main daytime show at Tokyo Disney Sea. It debuted on July 14, 2006 as part of the park's 5th anniversary celebration. Attraction 21. My Friend Duffy is a stage show that is being played at Cape Cod Cook-Off at the Cape Cod section of American waterfront of Tokyo Disney Sea. The original version debuted on March 20th, 2010. The updated version debuted on January 20th, 2014 during Sweet Duffy and ended on January 9th, 2017. Attraction 22. Mysterious Masquerade was a Halloween show at Tokyo Disney Sea that first premiered in October 2009. Attraction 23. Mystic Rhythms was a musical stage show at Tokyo Disney Sea. Attraction 24. Out of Shadowland was a musical stage show that formerly played at Hangar Stage in Lost River Delta at Tokyo Disney Sea. It premiered on July 9, 2016 as part of its 15th anniversary celebrations.